Today on Gage Boys Garage, we're installing a cowl intake kit from Thor Off-Road. Now, I started a little bit here to make sure that my plan is going to work, but I have a Lexus 4-liter, not a Jeep 4-liter. So this is a little bit different, but it's the same concept. So when you get your kit, this is the main piece along with the filter, and you'll have the intake piping that runs across to your factory throttle body. Anyway, so I put this on here and I marked the edge here with a Sharpie underneath, and then it wraps around. So I marked the other edge here with a Sharpie, and there's enough slack here. You can just push your factory wiring harness down a little bit out of the way. And then I'm just taking a cutoff wheel and running along here. It's actually a lot easier to cut than it kind of looks like. It looks like it'd be a pain, but it's really not that bad. So this is gonna not only help you not get water and mud into your engine, it also gets your filter out of the extreme heat that's inside your engine bay, especially on these XJs. They're notoriously super hot under the hood. So it's going to get your filter back into the cowl, which is all nice, cold, fresh air. And your motor's going to run a lot happier and longer because of that. And maybe even make a little bit more power. So I'm going to get that cut out and then get the rest of it installed. So this is the spooky place known as your cowl, and this is where the filter is going to sit in here and suck from the vents up here, and it's going to be way better air for it. I opted to get the pre-filter just because I probably won't check this filter very much after it's installed, and I think this wasn't that bad. This is way easier than I thought. So I can stick this on here, throw a couple screws in it, and we're done. So I got the filter installed, hose clamped on here with the pre-filter, and then I put the cover on here and the pipe, tighten up all my stuff, and then I just ran the applied self-tapping screws into the firewall, and it's done. That was probably the easiest install of anything I've done on this Jeep. I don't know why I didn't do that years ago. That should have been one of my first mods, but we have it now. So all done, super happy with it, and we'll see how it runs.